Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes.
Greetings, lovely people. Welcome or welcome back to my kitchen. Thanks so much for the love and support. Let's make beet carrot dumpling. Here I have my carrot and beet already washed and peeled. And here I'm going to go ahead and grate them. I'm adding a little salt and I'm just going to mix this in. I'm not going to use any water. The beet and the carrot is going to generate some water. So that's going to be enough to make the dough. So after mixing in the salt, the beet, and the carrot, I'm just going to go ahead and add some flour to the mixture. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mix this in and then knead. So I have the water on the other side getting ready to boil up. So by the time I finish with this, the water will be ready. So guys, this beet carrot dumpling taste is so good. You gotta try this one. You got to try this one. This is a must try. So here I have the water on the fire. I'm tipping a little oil, and that's optional. I'm just doing it because I don't want the beet to stay in the pot. And I'm not adding any salt. The salt that I put inside, that is enough. So no salt to the water, but if you're trying this recipe, you can add salt to the water. It's just that I do less sodium. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, now is the best time to do so. Subscribe, like, and share. So now my dinner is ready. I served this with some sauteed cabbage and kale. And guys, this tasted so good. This is a vegan option. And here I'm cutting the dumpling. And this is what my beet carrot dumpling looks like. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, I say live good, work good, pray. Bless up yourself. One love. Yummy, yummy. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Cuisine and Lifestyle. I talk about food, I cook food, and of course, I eat food. Thank you all so much for watching.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine. So please subscribe as you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with me.